Hey everyone, my name is Emmanuel Knafo. I'm one of the founders of DevOps Shield, and in this video I'll show you how to install the Docker Hub or Docker container version of DevOps Shield in a matter of seconds. So first thing you'll want to do is go to hub.docker.com and then go ahead and search for our image. And our image can be found with a DevOps Shield with 2 S's. You'll be able to find it right here. And there you go. You have a very detailed document here with a table of contents on how to install DevOps Shield, either as through the Docker Desktop GUI or in one of the clouds. For this video, we're going to focus on installing it for local Docker instance. But before I do so, I just want to show you what the final version will look like. There's a publicly available live demo at demo.devopsshield.com. Let me open that up. And it usually running a relatively recent version. You can go ahead and log in. The login, as the hint says, is with username and password DevOps Shield with 2 S's. Go ahead and log in. And notice you have actual data, sample data. It's in read-only mode, but you can go ahead and explore it. You can look at how it's been set up or configured, look at some automation tasks, look at the various organizations that were scanned, and even look at the full inventory in detail of all Azure DevOps resources for this sample. And finally, you can even explore some of the assessments. So go ahead and view some of the saved assessments. I do encourage you to follow some of these links if you want to purchase it in on the Azure Marketplace. If you're ready to do so, you can go ahead and do so. You can go directly to the Docker Hub, which is what we're about to show you. But also I encourage you, if you've explored the app, to give us some feedback so we could better serve you. And I'll open this link in a separate tab. It opens up a very short survey. Should be able to do this in under 2 minutes, where you can answer some questions here, even provide a more detailed answer here on how we can improve our product. And optionally, it's optional, you can go ahead and give us your name and email. Okay, let's go ahead and do the installation. I'm going to close these tabs so we're not distracted. And pretty much at the beginning, right after who we are, there's a how to use this image. And actually, all you need to do is run a single Docker run command. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Oops, I just ran this previously. I did clear my cache, so it's going to re-download the image. And it's as easy as that. It's running in detached mode. We're going to go ahead and browse to this now private instance of DevOps Shield running on port 8080 by default. And there you go. We have the latest version. And it's the same kind of login at the beginning. So you do log in with DevOps Shield for the first time, but this time you're asked to change the password. Use whatever password you want. And then log in. Change that password. So this will take you to the dashboard where you can go to setup configuration and proceed to the setup. There's more detailed video that tells you about this. However, I'll just quickly give you what you do need to fill out. You only need to fill out the tenant ID that is backing the Azure DevOps organization. Usually it's your Microsoft Entra or Azure Active Directory where your users are logging into the Azure DevOps instance. You also put a tenant name. This could be any name that you want. An organization name, of course, needs to coincide with the name of your Azure DevOps organization. And finally, a PAT token. You're going to want to use a full PAT token to get pretty much the whole inventory. That's the best bet. And once you've filled out all of these fields, you'll be able to click on Start Setup Now and get data similar, well, reflecting your own instance, but data like in the public demo version. All right. Don't forget to give us some of your feedback and hope you enjoy this product.